if I want to go ahead and generate out a graph, then what you can do is you can let Kimi use HTML to create it out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, create a graph of gold prices in Australia for the past 10 years. Let me just go around, throw in an A right there. On a yearly basis. I think I got the spelling wrong. Let's just go ahead and correct it. Make this as an HTML right here, just like this. So I can simply say make this as an HTML, and then it'll actually collect out the data right here. And then it will go ahead and then make an HTML. So you can see that it says I cannot directly create an HTML, but it is actually giving me the code right here, which is what I want. And you can see that based on the data it got, it actually went ahead and then made a yearly graph right here, just like this. So once this finishes generating right here, then what happens is that I can simply go ahead and preview this out right here. Just like this. So let's just go around. This is the code. So if I were to go to preview, you can see that it actually went ahead and then gave me the graph right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and generate out graphs in Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.